getting ready to make mac and cheese for 50 people because we're getting ready to roast a whole hog. Let's get to it. Salt your water, add your noodles. While our noodles are cooking, let's make our cheese sauce on the side. Starts out with a bunch of cheese. Start out with 2 sticks of butter and 1 32-ounce container of heavy whipping cream. The whole thing. We're gonna make that 2 32-ounce containers. Noodle check. Not yet. We're gonna start out with about 15 ounces of Fontina cheese. This is a super creamy cheese, perfect for macaroni and cheese. 2 8-ounce pieces of Kobe cheese. Add that in. We're keeping this on a slow simmer. We're gonna melt it slowly. Add us 1 block of cream cheese. And you know we gotta do it because we are American. We're gonna use half a block of Velveeta. Remember y'all, we're on a slow simmer. We're gonna go in with 1 block of the Irish cheddar. And you know we gotta add 8 ounces of Gouda just to make it Gouda good. Noodle check. Perfect. You don't wanna overcook them. I need a bigger strainer. Add our noodles into the pan. While these noodles sit, put a little oil on them to keep them from sticking all together. And we add our elbow macaroni noodles. So everything's starting to get melty. We're getting rid of our clumps. We're gonna thicken it up a little bit more with some mild cheddar. If you've never had Dano's in your mac and cheese, you're missing out. I'm gonna use probably more than half of this bottle in here. I'm gonna put some in and mix it in slowly. We're gonna add a little bit more. We didn't even use half a bottle. Let me know in the comments if you've had Dano's in your mac and cheese before. Let's do a little taste test. Oh, that's quite the cheese creation. Noodle test time. Perfect, pull them off. All right, all our noodles are done. And we got 2 trays, and I'm gonna make 1 spicy. Let's get to it. Top it with some cheddar cheese, some panko, and some breadcrumbs. And you know I gotta do it because I love you. A Dustin, a Dano. Now let's make the spicy. Now we get us some fresh jalapenos. Do you know what all those lines on there mean? Now we go into our cheese. Let's top them off. For the spicy, we're gonna top with mozzarella, breadcrumbs, and with the pop with the red top. That's the spicy Dano's. Pop, 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 pop. Now, let's go roast our hog. All right, it's next day. We got our regular macaroni and cheese and our spicy Dano's macaroni and cheese. What we're gonna do is we're gonna throw this in our 350-degree oven. I'm guessing for about 30 to 40 minutes. And then once they get nice and hot, and we open this up and we see all that cheese is melted, we're gonna take the foil off and we're gonna go for 425 for about 10-15, crisp the top. A 1, a 2. Been 30 minutes, let's see where we're at. I think we're gonna go back in, maybe for another 30 minutes. Sorry, we got involved in the party and we couldn't show you the results, but look at that. Look at the cheese right there. Ended up being the star of the show and everybody loved it. And that's the Yum Yum, get you some. Took us about an hour and 20 minutes to get it nice and cheesy, but look at that. Yo, I'm telling you, that, I don't care if you go with the original or the spicy, but the spicy with King tonight. Yum Yum, get you some.